Okay, and this is for Thursday, the 23rd of April. And this is another form very popular in piano music called theme and variation form. And there's a theme, which in this case is this theme. And then if you note, then he writes variations on it. And there was generally some guidelines for, you'd have some major variations. You might be doing triplets. You might you might change the time signature. Here's 4/4. You might go into minor. They're just showing you a few variations here. So if you just look at the left hand is staying very much the same, but the right hand is different. So I'll play the left hand. This is pretty much the same left hand. A little rhythm difference there. But the right hand is different. Sideways. I'll try that one more time. You can hear there he's basically just decorating the melody. And then in this one, which is in a different meter, he's changed the meter. Much of the melody is staying very close to the original with some decorations. This is the minor one. And the left hand is a little bit more ambitious in terms of changing stuff, but not too much. And then this one is sort of the big finale one. And we're supposed to answer some questions. So, what is the time signature of the theme in each variation? Well, the theme is in 3/4. The first variation is in 3/4. The second variation is in 4/4, and the third variation is 3/4. So 3/4, 3/4, 4/4, 3/4. What is the key? The theme is in D major. Variation 1 is in D major. Variation 2 is in D minor, and variation 3 is in D major. So we'll go D capital letter M, D capital letter M, baby D lowercase m, and D capital letter M. Write a brief description of how the melody has changed in each of the variations. So I would say they used a word called diminutions, where they took a melody and added notes in between. So just say that in variation 1, it's been tripletized. And if you want to use the word diminutions, you can. It's not necessary. In variation 2, it's become minor. The melody has become minor. And in variation 3, it's become grand. I'm going to say the melody has become grand, and you do not have to write your own variations. So I'll play it one more time so just think about this. Again, it's a classical musical form, but you'll see it in orchestra pieces, you'll see it in piano pieces, you'll see it in many guises if you venture into the world of classical art music. And if we were meeting in class, I would probably be having you listen to some sonatinas and some sonatas and some theme and variations. So I will find some pleasant ones and put them on the playlist that you might enjoy listening to while you do some studying. And I might find some interviews with people. We would have fleshed it out a little bit more, but I know that my younger colleagues in particular are laying on the homework pretty thick, so I'm just sort of being minimalistic here. But if you've got time, there will be additional resources on the playlist for you to listen to and have a more rounded out understanding of sonatinas and sonata form and theme and variations.